Police investigate sudden death of 2-year-old boy in Clarendon. Man's body recovered after Portland River trip ends in tragedy. Tour bus operator booked on abduction, rape, and gun charges. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Spalding's police in Clarendon have launched an investigation into the death of a 2-year-old child. The child has been identified as Gashawn Duncan of Longbar District in the parish. It is reported that about 11 a.m. on Monday, Duncan was playing in his yard with another toddler when his grandmother heard a sound and went to investigate. He was found unresponsive. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A search party has been called off for a man who went swimming in the Rio Grande River in Portland on Sunday, April 28, with a group of friends. The search was concluded when the body of 29-year-old Javon Abrahams was found by a passerby in the area at around 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Detectives from the Center for the Investigations of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse arrested and charged 36-year-old Mervyn Jarrett, a tour bus operator of New Mills District in Anova, following an incident in the parish on Sunday, March 10, 2024. Jarrett is charged with rape, abduction, assault at common law, and possession of prohibited weapon. Reports indicate that about 8:45 p.m., Jarrett picked up a woman at a bus stop, drove her to a house in the parish, and brandished a firearm before sexually assaulting her. A report was later made to the police, and Jarrett was subsequently arrested and later charged. His court date is being finalized.